Are you looking for a stay-at-home job that pays well? Well, in this video I'm going to show you top 9 sites that pay anything from $20 to $50 per hour in 2019. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online, and in this video I will show you my top 9 sites that will pay you anything from $20 to sometimes $60 per hour. Now you will be able to work from home as a stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad, whatever you want to do. This is a side, sort of a job that you can do, and you can do it in your spare time. So this is not full-time, but you can combine some of these and make it full-time. So it's totally up to you how much money you want to make. All you need is a computer with an internet connection and no experience really, because you will see that these jobs are very easy to do from anywhere in the world. All right. But before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm uploading a video to this channel, I'm giving away $10. And if you want to win $10 right now, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email so I know where to send the money to, and I will be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video. And also please check out all the links in the description of this video. The first link will take you to my top recommended resource for making money online and working from home, and all the rest of the links are all free signups and free downloads, everything about making money online and working from home. But right now let's just jump into the content of this video. Stay-at-home jobs that pay well, my top 9 self-business sites for 2019. Okay, so the first one is actually one that I covered a couple of times already on my channel, user testing. So you're gonna go to usertesting.com and you can become a user tester. So as you can see, you can earn up to $60 per test. All you have to do is visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and then get paid. So if you want to start making money as a tester, you can click here on get paid to test, then you enter your email address, click on the sign me up. As you can see, it says how it works. You get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. So user testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, and speaking your thoughts out loud. You can see the 2-minute video right here. They are working with a bunch of different companies like Apple, Microsoft, Twitter, eBay, Yahoo, Dropbox, Evernote. So they are really established as a user testing website. So very easy way to make some money, and you don't really need any skills. All you have to do is just know how to test, and you're probably already doing this with a bunch of different websites anyway. So usertesting.com, by far the nicest way to get started online if you have no experience. Okay, another one that I would like you to check out is testingtime.com, and this is another one of these testing websites. So you can become a paid test user. As you can see, it says change your world one short test at a time. You can test products at home via Skype or on site with the customer. You can earn up to €50 per hour, which is up to $60 per hour really. You can impact the products of tomorrow with your opinion. You are one of the first people to test future products and have the opportunity to improve them. Take a break to try something new, and they guarantee variety, fun, and extraordinary experience. So again, what's in it for you? You can earn money testing digital products, you can help shape the future, and you can try something fun and different. So these guys will work with a bunch of big companies like Zalando, like Doodle, like Zato, Trivago. This is like a hotel website. So you can check out their website. Again, this is something super easy, and you can earn up to €50 per hour, which is up to $60 per hour. They pay really well. And again, you can be working from home, part-time, full-time, as a stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad, whatever you want to do. Okay, so testingtime.com. And the number 3 website is modsquad.com. Now this one is a little bit different. Here you will be helping people out via social media. Okay, so they are dealing with outsourcing. What you're gonna have to do is scroll all the way to the bottom and click on careers right here. This will bring up this page. As you can see, they have different job benefits like fun working environment, flexible hours, medical and other benefits for full-time US people, 401k even, a charitable matching program, unlimited vacation policy, incredible experience and good times. So you can check it all out. As you can see, they have different jobs like this: community support team leader, remote. They have jobs in Seattle, Sydney, but what are we looking for is the remote ones. Okay, so depending on when you will actually log in, obviously they're gonna have different jobs, but as you can see, they have jobs in Northern Ireland, in Costa Rica, and Sacramento, a couple of remote here, so bilingual, digital engagement specialist, community support associate on the East Coast, but it's remote as well. So a bunch of different jobs, depending if you're gonna log in like a month from now, probably they will have different jobs as well. So modsquad.com/careers, go ahead and check it all out. And this is one of these websites that pay you between $20 and $50 per hour, and you can work from home. Very, very cool. All right. Next one, this is actually a website that I already covered in one of my earlier videos, but I really wanted to add it to this list because it's one of the best ones in the world. It's Appen, appen.com. And as you can see, it says find flexible jobs. So we're going to click right here. You can become a rater, a language. You can find a language job. You can do micro tasking, and you can also find a corporate job if you are into this. But as a rater, you're going to get flexible part-time home-based work that requires a computer and or a mobile device, and that's it. So obviously, if you know a couple of languages, you can do the language jobs and micro tasks. As you can see, it's a simple text that can be completed in about an hour from the comfort of your own home. So check out my earlier videos on exactly all of the details, but again, Appen will pay you anything from $20 to $50 per hour, depending on the job that you will pick. And all of these jobs are related to social media. Okay, so you will be sort of helping pick people out on social media, or helping to spread the news on social media. And then again, you can become a rater. All these micro tasks they normally have to do with social media. Okay, so appen.com. And the next one is called buffer.com. You can go to journey.buffer.com, and Buffer is one of these social media companies as well. So as you can see, it says working at Buffer is more than just a job. Want to come along for the ride? So they are a small team working to help people build their businesses on social media. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be helping out these businesses and these people. So as you can see, we can click on more on how to work remotely. And right here it says the joys and benefits of working as a distributed team. So as you can see, they have a bunch of different people working around the world, really. I think they have over 40 cities that people are from, like over 12 countries in different time zones. So as you can see, they are all working on Skype. So again, one of these companies that allow you to just work from home. You don't really have to go to a physical location to work. Buffer.com, check it all out, and you know, maybe you can find a job this way. All right, next up is freeplaymedia.com. And this is a website that will allow you to make some money as a transcriptionist. So they are working with captions, transcripts, subtitles, and audio description. So as you can see, they work with a bunch of different big customers like the IRS, like the Yale University, Penn State, and all these different companies, Colorado State University, T-Mobile, Georgia Tech, so a bunch of different universities, and also like Autodesk or The Economist, so big businesses. And as you can see, they are working with closed captioning, transcriptions, audio descriptions, translating, and subtitling. So you can make some easy money working from them. Again, from home, all you need is a computer with an internet connection. Maybe with the audio transcriptions, you'll need a microphone and like a headset or something, but that's it. That's all you will need to start making money from home. And again, you will be making anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour. Okay, so freeplaymedia.com. Next up is a very similar website, TranscribeMe, at transcribeme.com. As you can say, it says fast and accurate transcriptions for as low as 70 cents per minute. You can click here on this button that says join as a transcriptionist, and you can become a paid transcriptionist today. So again, they are working with a bunch of different big companies. They have the best industry rates with earnings starting at $15 to $20 per audio hour. So top monthly earnings are at $2,200 and average monthly earnings are at $250. So it all depends obviously on how many transcriptions you will make, but as you can see, a starting point is $15 to $22 per audio hour. So very, very cool. And again, you don't really need much experience doing this. You can start and you can actually get some experience working for transcribeme.com. All right. Next up is a little bit different. I actually found it very, very interesting. I went to playo.com, and this is a site that you will actually be helping people with. So essentially, you will be sitting at home at your home office and calling people and reminding them to take their medicine. Very weird, but sort of needed, because with these new sort of medicines, people oftentimes they forget to take them. So what you will do is you will actually help people to remember to take their medicine. So if we're gonna go to careers right here, and then when we're gonna click on apply now, as you can see, it says, are you tired of cubicles, commuting back and forth, and would love to have a real job working from home? We may have an opportunity if you're the right fit. So again, you're gonna be doing exactly what I just told you. And they say you control your journey. The key to your success lies within you. Your performance dictates your earning potential. You control your schedule. You are not locked to a fixed schedule. You control your business and you manage your business your way. So before you apply, they have some more information right here. So you're gonna have to be 18 or more. You're gonna have to be a US citizen, not a resident of these states. You need a Windows computer, internet access, meet telephone requirements, and you cannot be a licensed or registered doctor. So you actually don't need any experience, all right? So playo.com, a little bit different, but again, you're gonna be working from home, from your home office, and this is a side income that you can generate from home, from the comfort of your living room or your office, right? And the last one is one that is very, very close to my heart. I always covered it in these top videos because this is how I got started online. So I had a full-time job as a bartender years ago, and I was actually doing this in my spare time, and then it grew so much that I was actually able to quit my 9-to-5 job and start making money from home full-time, right? So it's Fiverr.com, and obviously they have a ton of different categories. So depending on what your strengths are, you can become a programmer, you can do music, video and animation, writing and translation, digital marketing, graphic and design. And even if you don't really have any skills, you can go to the fun and lifestyle category and check out all the gigs, because sometimes people just take like a funny photo in an outfit or a quick video and they make money this way. Okay, but what I want to tell you is that a lot of people with no skills, no experience, go to Fiverr to actually buy the gigs and then sell them somewhere else. So for example, a logo on Fiverr is anything from $5 to $15, and you can sell the same logo on Craigslist in your local area for $50 to $100. So they're essentially doing flipping. This is called arbitrage, so online arbitrage. Someone else does the work, you are cashing in on the difference, and Fiverr is a very cool place where you can get high quality work done for as low as $5, and then you can just sell it somewhere else. And you can do this with logos, flyers, brochures, whole websites, you know, video and animation, of course. If you want to go into like music or digital marketing, you know, you can flip these services as well. But you know, just see all the pricings on Fiverr. It's all very low. Sometimes, you know, people like from India or Bangladesh are willing to deliver these logos, for example, for a very low price. It's of very high quality, and you can easily flip these services and make $50 to $100 per day easily. All right, so Fiverr.com, a super cool website with a ton of different possibilities. So this is my list for you today. I hope you're gonna make a ton of money this way working from home. And right now, let's just see who won the $10 giveaway from my previous video. Okay, so this is my last video, make money fast watching YouTube videos at home for 2019. I hope you already checked it out. It's a very cool video as well. So I'm gonna grab the URL. We're gonna go to the YouTube random comment picker, and let me just paste it in, filter out the duplicates, and let's see. We have 38 comments, and let's pick a random winner right now. We got Anne Jacqueline 20. Love these methods. I'll definitely try, and left her PayPal email, so I will send her $10 right now. If you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email, just like Anne just did, so I actually know where to send the money to, right? Okay, so as you are seeing, I just sent $10 to Anne. Again, congratulations. Do these 4 things if you want to win $10, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. Again, the top link will take you to my top recommended resource for making money online, and it's actually about flipping, so just what we are talking about with Fiverr, and the rest of the links are all free downloads and free signups, everything about making money online and working from home. Please check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording a ton of videos on side income, passive income, possibilities on working from home and earning from home. So check it all out, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.